Today's information about mutual fund. Mutual funds. Mutual funds are a type of investment vehicle that pools money from many investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. The fund is managed by a professional investment manager, who makes decisions about which securities to buy and sell based on the fund's investment objectives. When you invest in a mutual fund, you buy shares in the fund, and your return on investment is based on the performance of the fund's underlying investments. The value of your shares will rise and fall with the performance of the investments held by the fund. Mutual funds can offer diversification, professional management, and convenience to individual investors. Mutual funds can come in different types, such as stock funds, bond funds, money market funds, and hybrid funds. They can also be categorized by their investment strategy, such as growth funds, value funds, or index funds. Some mutual funds have minimum investment requirements, and there may be fees associated with buying and selling shares of the fund or for the management of the fund. It's important to carefully review a mutual fund's prospectus and performance history before investing, to ensure that the fund's objectives align with your investment goals and risk tolerance.